Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adi here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning April 12th to April 18th using this lanterns kit from the House of Stickers UK. So this was the first week of Ramadan, which is why I use this kit. And if you know me, you know how I feel about gold. But I thought I was able to request a change of foil because I had messaged the owner on Instagram and she said to put in the notes to seller, which I did to ask to request silver, but it still came in gold. So I just had to use it because, you know, there's not many Ramadan kits out here in the planner community. And the one that I have for the last week of Ramadan, the Eid week, is also in gold foil. So, you know, I guess I just had to use it. I would say this is not my favourite spread. I don't know if it's because of the gold or just the kit is not in the style I would usually use. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So the gold sparkly gold foil underlays that I'm using is from a Rose Colour Days subscription, which I'm glad I kept because it had both gold and silver sparkly hollow underlays. So I'm glad I kept it so I can use it for all these gold kits I've been forced to use these last couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm going to lay down my base as usual and I'll come back for the day by day. Okay, so now for the day by day. So in the sidebar you saw I put a Ramadan begin script from Rose Colour Days to note that Ramadan began. So on Monday I used a paper shire girl like hugging a teddy bear to note I was really tired. I then used a Whimsical Cat Studio girl filming and a haul script from Harriet Rat Designs to note that I filmed a haul. I then used a Missy Cat stuff cat with like stickers and a play with stickers script from Ice Cream Joe to know I was playing with stickers. And I then used a paper and thread girl like watching TV to note that I was watching Bones. Moving down to the bottom half, I used a Coffee Monsters code emoji like on Zoom or FaceTime and an observation script from Bella Pan Ella, which I do PR for. So if you want to use my code ADIATU15, you can get 15% off your order to note my observation. And then I used a Whimsical Cat Studio girl on a laptop and an assignment script from the GP Studio to know I was doing my assignment. I then used a Prime Video sticker from Pink Leaf Prints to know I was watching what was I watching? Them with my husband. We were binging Them. And then I used a like praying girl from the sticker station, I think, from a while ago to note that it was the first Taraweeh prayer because Ramadan began on the Tuesday. So now I'm moving on to Tuesday. At the top I use a date sticker from I think the same sticker party kit sheet to note that it was the first day of Ramadan. I then use a car sticker from the Mixie Cat stuff to note that like I went to my mum's house and there was no parking, which was weird since I do have a permit for there and I couldn't find anywhere to park, which was annoying, and I had to park a little bit far away. Then use a Once More with Love munchkin meal prepping to know I was doing some cooking for like our first iftar. I then used a planner sticker from Papershire and a fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella to know I was doing some fun planning, which is in the planner that you guys never see. I then use another Papershire Nana sticker like a binge watching to note that I was watching Bones. I then used the Joy of Planning cleaning girl like taking out the trash and a cleaning time script from the kit to know I was like tidying up my room. I then used this Papershire couple binge watch sticker to note that we were watching the 100. I then used a Papershire couple eating to note it was our first iftar together as a married couple, which was exciting. Moving on to Wednesday. So on Wednesday I used a Valia and Tuma girl like sleeping in bed with the cover of her face and a nap time script from Randy.plans to note that I slept in and I was really tired. I think I took a nap. Well, I went to my mum's house and then I took a nap, I think. And then I used a Fox and Cactus like binge watch girl to note that I was watching Bones. I then used a Mixie Cat stuff like shocked looking expression face to note that I was procrastinating, which is normal, so it's probably to do with my assignment. I then used a Panda Bear design girl with a laptop, and I used a voiceover edit and upload script from Riley.plans to note that I was doing all the things to like get a video ready. I then used a Papershire vanilla with like a wrap to note that I had some German doner kebab and I had a doner wrap, I believe, which is why that sticker was perfect. And then at the bottom I use another Papershire couple binge watching sticker to note that we are watching the 100. I use a lot of Papershire stickers in this day and the last, so I am ahead of myself, but you know, that's fine. We're going to move on to Thursday. So on Thursday, I used a Nap Queen sticker from the Honey Bee shop to note that I was napping again that morning. I then used a Whimsical Cat Studio Girl planning and a fun, is that a fun planning script? I can't see. Yep, a fun planning script from PlanWithAds to know I was doing some fun planning. I then used a GP Studio Girl with a laptop and some tea, which I had to cut the laptop down to fit, and an edit script from Harriet White Designs to know I was doing some video editing. I then used a Once More with Love cooking sticker to know I cooked some pasta for iftar that day. And then down in the bottom section, I used a YouTube sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and a binge watch script from Ice Cream Joe to note that we were binge watching YouTube. Every time I say YouTube binge, that means me and my husband are watching something on YouTube, and then a Plan With Me binge is obviously a Plan With Me binge when I'm doing that by myself. Next, I used a Fox and Cactus binge watch girl to note that I was watching Bones again. And then I used a blank TV sticker from Pink Leaf Prints to note that me and my husband were watching The 100. And then at the bottom, I used a couple sticker to note that me and my husband, we had BIMs for iftar. That can't be possible. No, wrong side. I was looking at the wrong day. So that one was to note that we watched Snowfall, the couple sticker, and then the TV sticker was to note that we watched The 100. That makes more sense. Okay, on to Friday. On the top of Friday, I used a mosque sticker from The Joy of Planning to note that me and my mum went to Juma at the mosque because we had a new one near our house and it was open. I then used a Mixie Cat Stuffed Cat sleeping sticker to note that I had a nap after that. I don't think I had a nap, I think I was just really sleepy. And I then used a planner from Papershire and a fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella to note more fun planning. I then used a Papershire Nana binge watching to note I watched some more Bones. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Planner Hannah to note a Plan With Me binge. I think I had run out of Plan With Me binge scripts at this point, but I had put them, as of now, they have been put in place because I bought some more. I then used a Prime Video sticker from Pink Leaf Prints to note more Bones. I think, yes, more watching Bones. Or was it The 100? That one was The 100 on Prime Video. And then I used a burger and fry sticker from the Ginger Cat Co. to note that we had BIMs. So this was the day we had BIMs, not on Thursday. Moving on to Saturday. At the top, I used a Papershire couple sleeping in bed sticker to note that we slept in that morning. I then used another Papershire Nana sticker to note a lazy day. The lazy day script is from Adorably Amy Designs. I then used a YouTube TV sticker from Pink Leaf Prints to note I had a Plan With Me binge. I then used another couples in bed sticker. I think it's like they're just chilling in bed from Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we were just chilling in bed watching stuff. Then I used a couple binge watching sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we are watching The 100. And then at the bottom, I use a couple eating sticker from Papershire to note that we had Nando's for iftar this day. So that was Saturday. Moving on to Sunday, at the top, I used a Whimsical Cat Studio couples in bed sticker to note we slept in again. I then used a Papershire grocery girl with like a mask to note a grocery run. The grocery run script is from Adorably Amy Designs. I then used a JAD in Brooklyn like hairdresser girl and a hair appointment script from Rounded Up Plans to note that I had a hair appointment. I was doing someone else's hair. Then I used a What's More of Love Munchkin like cutting sticker, like chopping veg, I guess. Cooking is what is the better word to say, to note that I did some cooking. I then used a Glam Planner couple binge watching sticker to note that we watched the 100. And then at the bottom I used a Sugary Gal Shop like late night laptop sticker and an assignment script from the GP Studio to know I was doing my assignment into the night, because that's what I do. I always am last minute. So that was all of this week, and this was the first like official week of Ramadan, hence why I used this kit. I don't remember if I mentioned it in the start of the video, but this kit was very difficult for me to use because it just wasn't in the format that I'm used to, and also it was gold foiled, which, if you know me, I'm not really a fan of gold, but I've been forced to use more gold in kits because the kits I want that happen to be already foiled are foiled in gold, especially like the Ramadan ones. But yeah, it was really hard for me to use this kit. I had to bring in a lot of boxes. I did enjoy the paper though. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit of a wiggle and what's left of the kit, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.